Yo, 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 it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today with another ADH wealth solution. Today, we'll begin to discuss fulfilling all of your financial needs. To contribute to channel growth, the links are in the description. To schedule an appointment of your own, or to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with no medical exam and an instant decision, my information is in the description. Lastly, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. And now, here's our next feature. Yo, 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 it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today to weapon tap on your head with another ADH wealth solution. Today, we're going to be looking at an article from the MDRT, or Million Dollar Round Table, and I'm going to look at it a little opposite today. The article is entitled 10 Responses to Whole Life Insurance Objections. We're going to look at it as 10 reasons not to buy life insurance. Before we go in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with an instant decision and no medical exam, or to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional. The links are in the description. As we proceed to give you what you need. 10 responses to whole life insurance objections, also known as 10 reasons not to buy life insurance. While the advantages of whole life over term insurance are obvious to you, that's not always the case with prospects and clients. When discussing insurance with clients, try these ideas to help clarify the differences. By Bryce M. Sanders. So, you're a successful insurance professional. The advantages of whole life over term insurance are obvious to you. Yet, that's not always the case with the prospects and clients. They comparison shop online for the lowest price without understanding why they should pay more for something that delivers the same death benefit. Here are some points to remember that you can use when discussing whole life insurance with prospects and clients. So one reason not to buy life insurance: I'm too old. Or, I'm not planning on dying soon. Or, how about, I might experience an emergency and need cash right away. Another one is, well, term life insurance is so cheap. Why would you pay more? There's also, I have insurance through an organization. It keeps running and it's so cheap. Also, I have insurance through work, I'm good. The stock market is a better investment than whole life insurance. I'm hopeless at saving money. One day, I will need income. And the love of my life is hopeless at managing money. And those are the top 10 reasons not to buy life insurance. So we're going to address each one of those point by point. Again, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with an instant decision and no medical exam, or to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional. The links are in the description. So first, let's address I'm too old. Well, we started a parity, but whole life and term insurance offer the same death benefit. there might be different terms or exclusions. Let me explain a little more to you. And that's actually a way that you can actually help open the door as a client and a representative. Now let's address, I'm not planning on dying too soon. Now you can possibly respond, well, whole life insurance builds cash value, Mr. Client, so it ultimately grows to the face value of the policy. Let's say you live to 100 years old because you eat the right brand of yogurt. You can collect your death benefit while you're living. Now, let's address the third one. I might experience an emergency and need cash. Well, a possible response is the cash value whole life builds can usually be borrowed against via a loan. Term life insurance doesn't build cash value. Now, well, term life is so cheap. Why pay more? And you could possibly respond, the answer is in the word term. It runs for a certain length of time. When it's over, you aren't covered anymore. Then you need to buy another policy, priced for you at your current older age. Now let's address the fifth one. I have insurance through an organization. It keeps running and it's so cheap. Your, especially MDRT or $1 Million Round Table representative, may respond, well, it's a different type of term. You hit certain ages, so to keep the same premium, your death benefit drops to a lower amount. Now let's address the sixth one. I have insurance through work. You'll possibly hear a response like, well, that's great. What are the chances you'll work for the same company until the day you die? Not very likely. Now let's address this one, because people always talk about they want to keep their insurance and their investments. And I always speak to people about building their financial house. Your insurance is your foundation. If I were to build your house, you want me to dig a hole in the ground and pour concrete. The stock market is a better investment than whole life insurance. Well, you can have a bit of each. Some policies allow a degree of investment in the market or participation in the market's performance. It's called a participating policy. Gains in life insurance are tax deferred. Stock market profits from an outside account are taxable in the year that you earn them. Well, let's address this eighth one. Well, I'm hopeless at saving money. Well, whole life can help. It's that building cash value feature. Another response that's very common. Well, one day I will need income. And that's very true. And again, whole life can help. That cash value that you built up can be rolled into an annuity, which is another insurance product, providing income in retirement and under circumstances until the day you die. And number 10, well, the love of my life is hopeless at managing money. And that may be true as well. But the insurance proceeds can also be used to fund an annuity, providing lifetime income. It's just like getting a paycheck. And hopefully that makes things easier for your surviving spouse. Now, we've been taught the benefits of whole life, but many times your client has not until they talk to you. So it says here, Bryce Sanders is president of Perceptive Business Solutions, Inc. His book, Captivating the Wealthy Investor, can be found on Amazon. This originally appeared in the $1 Million Roundtable blog, which you can always visit by going to www.mdrt.org. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million, with an instant decision and no medical exam, or to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional. The links are in the description. With that being said, wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. Salute, salute, salute. Hey folks, this last video was sponsored by my company, where we help people like you to reach their financial goals. We do this through a simple conversation where we help to identify and then protect your lifestyle, and then we implement a plan. The process starts at about an hour. So, if you want more information or you want to schedule a consult, contact me via the information in the description box, and let's talk and see if we're actually a great fit for each other. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Thank you, and enjoy life.